Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Hemingway Editor for readability on SEO drafts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Hemingway Editor, start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type Hemingway Editor and press enter. Click on the official website link, which is usually one of the top results. Once on the website, look for the download section. Choose between the desktop version or the online version based on your preference. For the desktop version, click the download button. Select your computer's operating system, whether Windows or Mac. Follow the on-screen instructions to download the installer file. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. Follow the installation prompts to complete the setup. After installation, open the Hemingway Editor application. If you chose the online version, you can access it directly through your web browser. When you open Hemingway Editor, you'll see a blank document space. You can now copy and paste your SEO draft into the editor. As you input your text, Hemingway Editor will analyze readability. Pay attention to the color-coded highlights it provides. These highlights indicate areas for improvement in clarity and simplicity. Use this feedback to refine your draft for better SEO performance. Once you've made your edits, review the readability score and suggestions. When satisfied, save your updated draft for publication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.